What's up, Average Dad fans? The time has come. The OPPO Find X6 Pro has arrived. Let's unbox it, tell you about my experience ordering from Wanda Mobile, and a little bit more about the specifications. Let's go. Now, if you haven't watched the first two parts in my OPPO Find X6 Pro journey, you should catch them out on my channel. Essentially, I break down why I chose the OPPO Find X6 Pro. Spoiler alert, I didn't. You, the viewer, chose it for me. And also I talk about how I am selling this on straight after I do my review. So within 4 weeks from today, I will have sold this phone. If you want to be the lucky buyer, let me know in the comments that you're interested, and I will reach out to you through Instagram, which you can see here, or through the comment section. Just as an FYI, I don't use Telegram. So if you ever see any messages saying, oh, contact me on Telegram, that ain't me. Let's get to the unboxing. So, before we talk specs, let's see what's in the box. Now, I should point out this was super fast delivery from Wanda. I mean, it was within 3 working days, which is super impressive when you think it's coming all the way from China. Well wrapped up as well. OPPO Find X6 Pro, 512GB of storage and 16GB of RAM. Now the box should already be open because Wanda Mobile pre-install the Google Play Store for you, and I've got the S23 Ultra here as a bit of a comparison. So what's in the box? A box with manuals and a special case. The device, which don't worry we'll get to, and unlike a lot of flagships these days, a charger which is 100 watts, yes, 100 watts, and a USB-C, I assume. No, USB-A to USB-C cable. There we go, finally got the box open. So there is the case, and SIM ejection tool and manuals. Now the case itself has that vegan leather back with a, I guess, vegan leather top as well, but the colours represent what should be the phone I ordered as well. So that's that brown with silver accents, two-tone, which I think looks brilliant. And then of course the pièce de résistance, the phone. The OPPO Find X6 Pro. I'm trying to make it as neat as possible because, as you know, one of you lucky viewers will be getting this phone at a discounted rate. So I will look after it. Oh, wow. I mean, look at that huge camera ring with its 1-inch sensors and flagship lenses throughout the whole triple camera setup. And there it is, as mentioned, vegan leather back, silver up top, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front. As always, let's turn it on. Should have some juice in it. There we go. 6.7 inch WQHD 120Hz LTPO3 technology. This phone has it all, folks. So there we have it. The OPPO Find X6 Pro. The charger, the case, the cable, everything in the box that should be. Thank you, OPPO. I also want to say thank you to Wanda. For those, again, that haven't watched the first couple of videos, I ordered this phone on Monday evening. Yes, Monday this week. For context, today is Saturday, and this actually arrived yesterday. So within 4 working days, this phone was shipped express straight from Hong Kong with a £25 delivery fee, which is more than reasonable. And for those interested in purchasing the phone, I have some good news. I did not get charged any import fees or duty on this device. So I am the honest reviewer, I am the average dad. I am not here to try and stiff you out of money. I made a promise, and the promise is true. I said I'd sell this for $200 or pounds cheaper than what I bought it, and I will pass that saving on to you. So I'm no longer selling this for £950 or $1,100. The new price is £900 all in for this brand new device, shipped direct to you, or $1,050 if you're living in the States. Again, I will ship it directly to you. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. Specs wise, 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 storage, 16 gigabytes of DDR5X RAM, Quad HD Plus display. It's vegan leather, it's Gorilla Glass Victus, it's just gorgeous in the hand. And for those wondering, this is actually the including case on here. I'll just take that off for you just now. Makes no difference because it looks the exact same, but that's how good the phone looks with the case on. Just an exact replica of the back of the phone. Again, I like that. A premium case, not your gel clear silicone case that's going to discolor and get worn through time. Anyway, I will do a full kind of first impressions as well, talking through the specs in more detail. But if you do have any questions about the device, or you're thinking of buying it and you don't want to save the money and buy from me, I completely get it. You want your brand new device, let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. The setup video, the camera comparison, the review, it's all going to drop over the next couple of weeks. So please, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and drop a like on this video as well, because it's free and yeah, you should like my videos. Until that next video on the OPPO Find X6 Pro,